Lesson 32, Evaluation. Remember, when we do evaluation, what we have to do is substitute. We have to change the letters for the numbers. Now, those letters we call variables, and the variables are letters that stand for numbers. So in this case, for example, in 2x plus y, 2 is a constant, and x and y are variables. They stand for numbers. And the same thing with m and n. So let's look at the first example, 32.1. It says, evaluate 3xy minus x. The first thing I want you to notice is that it's very clear that we have a multiplication and then a subtraction. And then the first thing I want you to do is always change the letters for parentheses. So we're kind of creating like a base or a foundation of what we're doing. It's like a skeleton of what we're going to be doing. So when we change the x, we put a 2 in both of the x's, and then the y is a 4. And again, using order of operations, we multiply, and that would be 3 times 2 is 6 times 4 is 24, minus 2, which is 22. And that's it. The next example is very similar, and notice again we have a multiplication here and also here, and then a subtraction. We're going to change every letter for a parenthesis so that we can do the substitution. So where the x's are, we're going to put a 3. The m is a 2, and then the y's are 7. Then we multiply these 3 and these 2, and that's going to be 6 times 7, 42, minus 3 times 7, which is 21. And when I subtract that, I get 21. And that's it. So very simple. Remember, evaluation is substitution. And when the first step you have to do is change every letter for a parenthesis. That's going to be very helpful whenever you're working with negative numbers. Very simple lesson. Go do your math and have fun.